In this video, you will see how to make a circle in Google Docs. First, click on the Insert tab, go to the Drawing and plus New to open this drawing dashboard. And here is the option of Shapes. After clicking on it, under the Shapes, select the first option, Oval. Now press Shift on your keyboard, hold the Shift button and then draw the circle. In this way you can get perfect circle. Notice that this circle is filled with the blue color. To remove the blue color, click on the circle to select it. And under the fill color, select the option transparent. This will remove all the colors from the circle. And if you want to change the border color, you can click on the pencil icon and select any color of your choice, for example blue color. And you can also increase the thickness of the border and can make it dotted or a dash border like this. You can also stretch the circle after pressing the shift on your keyboard to maintain its circularity. To add text inside this circle, right click and click on edit text and add text. For example, we will type circle, and now we can select this text, change its fonts if required, and if you click on this more option, you can also change the font size, make it bold, change the color of the font, center align the text inside the circle. And if you want to fill color inside this circle, just click on the circle and you can fill the color. More interesting option is gradient. You can click on custom gradient, select different colors, for example yellow, blue and many other colors, and you can adjust the slider as well. Select the angle 45 and click OK to fill different colors. Once done, click on save and close to insert the circle in Google Docs. Now watch this video to know how to make half circle in Google Docs. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Thank you.